How to say Instagram private account post. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can view the private account post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So now if I go ahead and launch the Instagram application, you'll be able to see this, and if there is a specific public profile, it's very easy to go into their profile page and then view their posts, videos and everything that they've commented and done everything so far in the past. But assuming that there is a specific private account and you want to simply follow that account and view this post and you're trying to do it, so well, you have to understand that Instagram security status is not actually so weak that anyone can just go ahead and view the private account photos. There is a private button for a specific reason. Assuming that you are the one who wants to make your private account in and of itself, would you really want people to go ahead and view your photos? Absolutely no. So Instagram is also not going to let that happen. Instead, I can offer you an alternative solution. Let's say there is a specific person that you want to follow and you don't want to let them know at the same time that you are the real person who are trying to follow them. Well, in that case, what I can offer you is that you just try to create a new dummy account of which you don't need to use your real name or real face or anything. You can just try to create a dummy account and just go ahead and give a try to follow that specific person and just send them a request, because if they accept it, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to let them know that you were the one who were trying to follow them. As long as they accept it from your dummy account, that's totally worth it. And after that, you can go ahead and view this private account photos and videos, or else you'll not be able to simply go ahead and find out just anybody's private photos as well. Hope this video cleared the confusion. We hope the video at least gave you some insights. If you have any more questions, comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.